Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a little peek of how I took these pics of myself. If you'd like to see me do that, stay tuned. After I got an idea of how I wanted my pics to look, I picked an outfit, I got my makeup things and my Altura wireless flash trigger. It's a small remote that I use to take the pics. These are the lights that I used, my ring light and my softbox. I then did a simple makeup look because I was going for something simple. I played some music that I enjoy listening to so I can get in the mood. Then I tried to play around and do different poses until I got a shot that I liked. I wanted a few close-up pictures, so I switched to a 50mm lens and played around with my shades and glass until I got a few good pics. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it and I'll see you in the next one.